Can we have a big round of applause for all our dignitaries on the stage where we are here to take the day and the Super Sunday ahead. We spoke about season one. मैंने आपको बताया कि वो सीजन कैसा था आपने एक क्लिप देखी और जिसमें हमने कहा कि एक रिवोल्यूशन था एक 85,000 fans thronging the stadium to watch the grand finale and if you were to just take that journey back when we had those auctions, a highest bid price of 27 lakhs, 6 teams, and from there, even today when the music was playing, Ashish sir, it felt like we are at Dadoji Kondev Stadium, the kind of vibe that we had here, okay? So that's what it is all about. We'll take the conversations ahead, the interactions ahead. We'll have a nice interaction with everybody here. But to speak of, the first question that I'd like to ask you, when Tigers of Kolkata were playing, you were there to cheer the team. You were also there at the Women's Premier League at the Firozshah Kotla, the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. Has your passion for cricket evolved over a period of time, or you were always a cricket fan?
I think born in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, a Mumbaiker at heart. I'm also still, right now, just so stunned and excited that I'm sitting next to the living legend, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, who I think we've just watched on the TV screens at our home and gone like, oh my God. So I am completely awestruck right now, being next to him as well and being part of the ISPL. Coming back to my journey of cricket, I think I've always, been a great fan of watching and enjoying the sport for its team spirit, for the fact that it stands for the heart of what India also stands for. I think when there is a cricket match, every Indian somehow is just glued to, the screen, and your heart is beating. So I've always enjoyed watching that, but never thought I would be a co-owner of a team. Then also never thought I would be married to, into a cricket home where the legend himself and his son, that I would, interact and hear so many old cricketing stories. So definitely over time, it has evolved. The love and the passion has grown, definitely. It's not happened overnight. It's grown because as you grow older, you hear such stories from Saif about, cricket back in the 60s and 70s. And it kind of just gives you also more and more love for the sport when you hear it. And now, at the stadium on the launch opening day of the ISPL, to see those players and my team members, Tigers of Kolkata, play with that passion, I think that even added more, to the love of cricket.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I'll come back and ask another question later on. But if, and as you say in cricket and terminologies, if you could change strike and if I could request Saif Ali Khan and, the name Tigers of Kolkata, the name Tiger is a very special name for you. But if we were to start this interaction, we just had a triumph in the T20 World Cup. So what are your thoughts on a potential film on the lines of the T20 World Cup triumph?
I think sports films are really exciting to watch, but they're also difficult to make. So provided we can capture the excitement and the challenges that people go through to achieve these things, I think sports films are wonderful. And I hope, we can find the right people to make it really well. Because, like I said, they're difficult to make. But I think the Indian team at different levels for a while now has been shining very bright internationally. It's taken a long time to get there. And the sun of cricket seems to shine on different nations. And now it's our time. So it's a wonderful time for all of us to be very proud of. And the T20, of course, an amazing story. And it would be wonderful.
Yes, absolutely. Looking forward to that. And this conversation will definitely be marked. Sachin sir, if I could request you, this is a number that you're not associated with, but we would request you, where, we saw the moments on screen where we saw those audio visuals. There were so many beautiful moments right from where we launched till the final. Any specific or any special memory that comes to your mind which will be unforgettable as far as the ISPL is concerned?
Many memories, many memories, because right from match 1 to the finals, the way all the players showed their commitment, their love, their passion for the game was magnificent. मगर मेरे लिए एक थोड़ा सा अलग मेमोरी जो मैं कहूँगा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. When I met आमिर, जिसका मैंने वीडियो देखा था पहले सोशल मीडिया पे, and when I went to Kashmir, I ended up meeting him. उसके बाद मैंने उसको ये भी कहा था कि I want you to come to Mumbai and play the first ball of ISPL. ये मेरा ड्रीम है. तुमने मेरा टी शर्ट पहन के खेला था, मैं तुम्हारा टी शर्ट पहन के खेलूँगा, और वो ड्रीम हम पूरा कर पाए. और जिस तरह से वो आके वहाँ पे पहला बॉल खेला, सिर्फ मैं नहीं मगर मेरे साथ द होल कंट्री वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, और सच एन इंस्पिरेशन. तो मैं कहूँगा कि वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत खास मोमेंट था.
यस एब्सोल्युटली, हमारे लिए भी सर बहुत वो स्पेशल मोमेंट थी. आईएसपीएल के बारे में सर, जस्ट टू टेक दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन अहेड, बहुत सारे अलग अलग रूल्स फ्रेम किए थे एंड यू हैड अ रोल टू प्ले इन दैट. तो व्हाट वाज द थिंकिंग, हाउ डिड यू एक्चुअली कम अप विद दोज रूल्स, इफ यू कुड जस्ट टेक अस थ्रू दैट जर्नी?
सी, हमको मोनोटनी अवॉइड करनी थी. सो नॉट जस्ट मी बट यू नो एट होम ऑल्सो with my brother Ajit, couple of friends that we rub shoulders with regular basis. Jatin is sitting here, Praveen is also here. Both are, involved and committed in making ISPL a big success. और lot goes, जो हम कहते हैं कि behind the scenes जो बहुत सारे चीज़ें capture नहीं कर पाते हम, इनके साथ हमने बहुत time बिताया. And we felt that 50-50 रूल, जो कि फ्रॉम 6 to 8 ओवर तक, अगर गेम कभी कभी ऐसे भी हो जाता है कि वन टीम इज़ हैविंग अ गुड टाइम, द अदर टीम इज़ स्ट्रगलिंग, दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली प्लेइंग कैचिंग अप गेम, और उसमें टाइम नहीं होता है उतना. तो उसमें हाउ कैन वी गिव देम अनदर चांस टू कम बैक इन द गेम. 50-50 का बेसिकली जो आपने देखा था रूल, जहाँ पे you get whatever number of runs that you've scored, you get 50% more, and if you fall short of that given target of 16 runs and over, then you get only 50% of what you have scored. तो वो डिडक्ट भी हो जाते हैं, तो बढ़ भी जाते हैं और कम भी हो जाते हैं रन्स. तो वहाँ पे बैट्समैन का थिंकिंग, जो एक टेम्परामेंट होता है, वहाँ कई बार क्वेश्चन मार्क हो जाता है. आपके स्ट्रेटजीज़ के ऊपर क्वेश्चन मार्क आ जाता है कि ये सही स्ट्रेटजी है या नहीं. तो कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग भी यूज़ करके खेलना पड़ता है वहाँ पे. वी थॉट इट वाज समथिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, तो वो एक था. सेकंड वाज गिविंग 9 रन्स. तो बैट्समैन अगर मारता है, आई एम अगेन गोइंग टू से कि बैट्समैन बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत ही जल्दी हम शायद बैटर बोलने लगेंगे. जैसे आशीष जी ने भी कहा कि सिर्फ लड़के नहीं, हम लड़कियों को भी इनकरेज करेंगे इसके लिए. तो मैं बैटर कहना शुरू करूँगा. आई थिंक जो लंबे शॉट्स मारते हैं तो उसके लिए 6 से ज़्यादा रन होने चाहिए, जस्ट टू मेक इट एक्साइटिंग. लास्ट बॉल 8 रन्स टू विन, यू कैन स्टिल विन अ गेम. 9 रन्स जहाँ इस टूर्नामेंट में जो हम खेले वहाँ पे 4 बैटर्स ने स्कोर किया था. द थर्ड वन वॉज टेप बॉल, रिवर्स स्विंग. अगर हम बैटर को कुछ एडवांटेज दे रहे हैं तो बॉलर्स ऑल्सो नीड टू गेट इन द गेम. सो रिवर्स स्विंग जो मैं खुद प्रैक्टिस करता था ड्यूरिंग माई प्लेइंग डेज, आई यूज टू टेप द बॉल ऑन वन साइड. उसका बेसिकली एक तरफ हम सीजन बॉल के साथ हम शाइनी और रफ साइड दिखते थे, मगर टेनिस बॉल के साथ एक तरफ जहाँ पे टेप होती है वो लगा के रिवर्स स्विंग की मैं प्रैक्टिस करता था इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट के लिए. तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट दिस बी इंट्रोड्यूस इन दिस फॉर्मेट. और अगर ये होता है इंट्रोड्यूस होता है तो यहाँ पे बैटर का टेक्निक भी टेस्ट होता है, जो आपने कई बार देखा होगा, क्योंकि टेनिस बॉल इज अबाउट कीपिंग योर हैंड्स अवे फ्रॉम द बॉडी, जो हम कहते हैं कि झटके वाला बैट स्विंग. जिससे यू गेट डिस्टेंस. मगर जब बॉल रिवर्स होने लगता है तो यू नीड टू कीप योर हैंड्स क्लोजर टू योर बॉडी. तो ये टेक्निक में एक एडजस्टमेंट करनी पड़ती है, विच वॉज थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट गिवन द वे इट स्टार्टेड, बट स्लोली प्लेयर्स अडेप्टेड. एंड मैं कहूँगा कि ओवरऑल जो इंटरेस्ट लेवल था बहुत अच्छा था.
सर अभी आपने कहा कि थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी थी पर बाद में अडेप्ट हो गए, कुछ हुआ. वो टेप बॉल में जब शुरुआत हो रही थी द लाइन एंड लेंस वर नॉट करेक्ट, बट समथिंग हैपेंड एंड देन tape ball was an attacking
Correct,
over.
because tape ball was introduced. Possibly the bowlers were not used to bowling with the tape ball, reverse swing. So the first match that I observed, the first day I was there, and I saw number of white balls bowled, और bowlers correct नहीं कर पा रहे थे. Immediately the next morning, I suggested to सूरज कि ना हम सभी के सब कोचेस के साथ मीटिंग करते हैं, एंड आई वांट टू टेल देम हाउ द बॉलर शुड यूज दैट टू देयर एडवांटेज. अभी वो क्या कर रहे हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल. अभी वो कर रहे हैं कि ये अगर पॉइंट ए है और पॉइंट बी अगर आपका बैटर है तो वो पॉइंट बी को ही एम कर रहे हैं बॉल डालते हुए, और जब तक बॉल 22 यार्ड्स कवर कर रहा है वो स्विंग होके लेग स्टंप के बाहर जा रहा है. तो द फर्स्ट थिंग दे नीड टू गेट इन देयर माइंड इज कि पॉइंट बी को एम नहीं करना है, आपको रिलीज पॉइंट को सोचना है. और पॉइंट ए और पॉइंट बी के बीच में भी एक जगह है, ए प्लस मैं कहूँगा, उसको टारगेट करो, बॉल अपने आप बैटर की तरफ जाएगा. तो भूल जाओ कि बैट्समैन वहाँ पे खड़ा है, यू नीड टू फॉरगेट दैट. और वो हमें वो चेंज दिखाई दिया. तो इट इज़ जस्ट अबाउट द माइंडसेट एंड बैकिंग योर सेल्फ टू बॉल वेयर यू डोंट सी अ बैटर. बहुत बार यही होता है कि वो आदत होती है, यू सी अ बैटर, यू फिगर्ड आउट अ स्पॉट एंड यू वांट टू बॉल देयर, बट व्हेन द बॉल स्टार्ट्स रिवर्सिंग, that landing spot changes. It doesn't go where the batter is. It is actually either side of the batter. You never aim at the batter. तो वो adjustment उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से की, and then they started using reverse swing to their advantage. कई बार ये भी देखा कि bowlers were willing to start with tape ball. So strategy, as the time goes by, strategy will come into play. And like I said in the last press conference also, कि जो हम कहते हैं कि टेप बॉल स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर विल बी एक एरिया है वो क्रिएट करेंगे खुद के लिए, कि हम कहते हैं कि ना बहुत बार डेथ ओवर्स डालने हैं, तो वैसे एक टेप बॉल स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर भी नीश क्रिएट करेंगे वो खुद के लिए.
Oh, yes, how beautifully explained. Can we have one round of applause for that tape ball explanation? And if you saw those visuals, you know, all those who come from Mumbai, whenever you take that middle stump out, Dhaval is here, he'll know that better. You know, you say that kathi kadli. And that is what exactly happened when middle stumps were knocked out of the ground. Thank you so much, sir, for that explanation. Taking the conversation ahead, Karina, if I could request you to take the next question, where, you know, if you could just tell us, how has cricket influenced your life? And if an opportunity presents, any thoughts on putting an Indian women's cricket career or cricketer's career on celluloid?
Of course, I think that would be one of the greatest achievements, because women in sport today, I think, are leading in the forefront. I'm proud to say that I was part of the Women's Premier League, and it was just euphoric to be there to see. I always know that women can also do everything that a man can, maybe more. But when I saw it actually on the field, I was extremely proud. And I'm so happy that Sachin sir and Ashish ji have mentioned, because I'm also part of the ISPL family, that one day we can have a female batter, and hopefully that team will be my team. So that is my first dream, to have that. Because I also have, I hope, and it's a request and it's a prayer and it's everything, that the women cricketers get the standing and the darja that the male cricketers have. That is also a dream to see in our country, and because they are such amazing players, and slowly, I think, I want them to get and receive that stardom that our male cricketers also have. So then I can take it on to the celluloid.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much. And I hope that that will come true soon and at the earliest. If you can ask another question to Saif Ali Khan. We spoke about the ISPL and as the defending champions. What kind of legacy do you hope the ISPL will help establish in inspiring young players, youngsters, and shape the future of sport?
Well, I mean, as we've seen, one of the greatest things, the most exciting thing is how the saying is that it's from the street to the stadium. And that's the greatest thing about it, and how it's open to so many people that might not have the opportunity. And also it's exciting for, it can open up potential careers, no? Like people can scout and see these young guys and maybe they can go on to different forms of cricket later. I really think this question is better answered by some of the more senior and experienced people on this panel. But my take on it, what excited me, I must tell you, and I'm so happy that we got a chance to be part of this team along with the owners of my team, how we got onto this thing. It's a really wonderful opportunity for us because it's such for us, it was a wonderful investment also. And to think of something that will catch on so well, and as well as be such a positive thing for Indian cricket at a street level. But the feeling I had during the finals at the stadium, the entire stadium was completely packed. There were no stars performing. There was nothing happening. There were just these guys playing. And the entire stadium was there for the love of cricket. There were traffic jams outside, and it was as packed as a star-filled test match, or like a star-filled, actually more packed than a star-filled test match these days. It was completely packed, and it was so exciting. I think it's going to be huge, and it's a wonderful thing you guys have done for cricket and for Indian cricket. And I'm just very happy to be part of it.
Yes, absolutely. So wonderfully said and put down where, it was so packed, and we will see that happen again. Now, season 1, remarkable success, we saw that. But getting into season 2, now your expectations from the second season, and one message, Sachin sir, that you would like to give all participating teams and the players as we get ready for the second season.
Like I said, I loved the spirit. I thought it was very gripping and extremely engaging. A number of international cricketers, my friends, they said कि यार बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है ये, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है देखने के लिए. And ऐसे comments, casually जब one-on-one हम मिलते हैं तो you don't get to hear. They genuinely mean it. क्योंकि कमरे में जो बात करनी है वो कर सकते हैं. But they genuinely meant. So a big win-win for all the players who played. इसमें और एक important चीज़ मैंने बताई नहीं आपको, but we had kept this mandatory कि हर team will have one under-19 player and all players will play. कि ऐसे नहीं है कि कोई सिर्फ पानी पिला के घर जा रहा है. Each and every player will get a chance to play. So जहाँ पे when there is hope, that drives you to achieve greater things in life, and that is exactly what we want to do. We want to encourage everyone, not just youngsters, because we also saw a 40-year-old. So a 14-year-old played, and so was the case when the 40-year-old also went out. उतना ही focus था उसके ऊपर कि एक 40-year-old is playing. I saw you practicing at Lord's the other day. Are you planning to play next season? Yes. So there might be a surprise. You never know. Lekin, when we played that exhibition game, Amir had batted. I'm going back to Amir क्योंकि उसने जो impression मेरे ऊपर create किया है, it's a lasting impression. After he batted, I checked with him कि क्या fielding करने आओगे? बोला, sir, fielding नहीं, bowling भी करूँगा. And he actually bowled, and that's when I had posted a tweet saying कि genuine leg spinner, because he bowled a brilliant over. Not just that, but he saved a boundary at a crucial moment. तो उसका जो एक enthusiasm है, जो एक positive attitude है towards life, is what I want everyone to learn. All of us can learn from him, not just the players, but all of us. ISPL is a great platform for all the youngsters, the passionate lovers of the game to go out and express themselves. पहले जाते थे तो गली में खेलते थे. We obviously have a family in the dressing room यहाँ पे अभी ISPL की, but also there is one family sitting at home. Because of them, one is able to sit in this dressing room and enjoy these moments. घर से जब बाहर जाते थे खेलने के लिए गली में तो few people would watch, मगर अभी ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया है कि हर गली से they will watch you play on television. It's a massive platform, so I would just say that continue being in love with this sport and the game will look after you. That is all I wish to say.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your thoughts. And, this discussion that we had, it will be only apt if I could request Advocate Ashish Chella sir to just sum up this entire interaction that we had. Okay. So thank you so much. How wonderful that we had. We spoke about the legacy. We spoke about how women participation in the years to come. And that is what love the game, and the game will take care of you. Can we have one big round of applause for this wonderful interaction that we had? Thank you so much to Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Thank you so much to Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Thank you so much to Mr. Saif Ali Khan. And we'll have a media interaction, but we'll have a 5-minute break. Before that, if I could request the dignitaries to have one group photo opportunity, and then we take a break, and then we move on to the media interaction, which will be attended by Mr. Surat Samat.
ये था ISPL यानी इंडियन स्ट्रीट प्रीमियर लीग के सेकेंड सीज़न यानी सीज़न 2 का ग्रैंड लॉन्च, जिसमें दिखाई दिए हमारे मास्टर ब्लास्टर गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट यानी सचिन तेंदुलकर और उनके साथ नवाबों के नवाब सैफ अली खान और उनकी बेगम करीना कपूर खान। ये क्रिकेट लीग टेनिस बॉल से खेली जाती है और T10 यानी 10 ओवर की होती है। इसके लास्ट ईयर के विजेता थे कोलकाता।